Hey y'all, it's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today where I'm going to be showing you how to make a peach cobbler that's delicious, quick, and easy. Some of you tell me that you can't bake. I say you can. Take a look at this. Hot and bubbly, straight out of the oven. Let's see what we're going to need to make this happen. I have some vanilla flavoring, some salt, baking powder. Of course, I'm going to be using butter. And I have here 2 cans of peaches. These cans weigh about 29 ounces each. I have white sugar, flour, cinnamon, and brown sugar. And I have here some milk. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have 4 cups of peaches. That's how much those 2 cans were without the juice. I put in some white sugar, some brown sugar, and now I am putting in some cinnamon. I'm getting in my Watkins vanilla flavoring, and I'm just mixing all of this up. I'm going to get it onto the stove and let it just come to a boil. Meanwhile, in another bowl, I am making some sugar, combining it with flour and some baking soda. I'm sorry, this is not baking soda, this is baking powder. I've got some salt because that salt is going to just make that sugar and those peaches, it's going to just bring out a brightness and a flavor, kind of enhance the flavor of the peaches. I'm putting in some milk. Where's my whisk? Whoa. Okay, I'm just going to whisk this up. You know, I like using wire whisk because it seems to take out all of any kind of potential lump, any kind of bump, any kind of hump. It's going to get your mixture smooth. Some of you may be using forks or spoons, and if that works for you, fine. But I like a whisk. Now into this baking dish, which I think is like about a 9 by 13, I am putting 6 pats of butter. And I'm going to get it right into a preheated 350-degree oven that I have waiting for me. And I'll let it stand until it melts. I've sat this on 2 pot holders because this dish is very hot. Don't want to crack it by putting it on the cold counter. And now I am getting inside that flour and sugar mixture that you saw me make. Just pouring it in. Now see what we have now. We have melted butter and we have this flour and sugar mixture. I want you to notice I haven't stirred a thing in this dish. So I'm coming right back though with my peaches that have just come to a boil, and you can see them steaming and smoking here. They're really hot. I am just spooning, just placing these peaches on top of this melted butter and the flour mixture. And I want to just keep bringing to your attention that I have not stirred anything, because when you see this, it looks like it needs to be stirred, but it does not. Don't stir it, babies. Just lay it in here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh yeah, this is simple. You're going to use all of these peaches, none of the juice. No juice, just the peaches. Just place them in and resist again. Resist that urge to stir. Just lay them there. Smells so good. I wish you could smell my kitchen. Oh, these aromas. Oh, it smells so good. Great. Smells so good. You can tell something really good and delicious is going on in here. Into that same preheated oven, 350 degrees, and I'm going to let it bake for 35 to 45 minutes. Hot. Let's get it out. Looky, looky, Miss Cookie. Oh, man. That is bubbling hot, piping hot, straight out of the oven. Like volcanic lava. So you don't want to taste this now. You can't taste it. It's just for looking. You ought to be calling your guy, your girl, your kids, your mom, your dad, whoever, your friends, your loved ones. You ought to be calling them in right about now and saying, oh, look what I've done. Look what I got for you. Oh, I've slaved all day long to make you this wonderful dessert because I love you so much. Gotta wait till it's hot and I'll serve you some. Now, I just want to show you that this is a very soft crust cobbler, not crunchy like some of the other cobblers I've got a few on my channel. They're different from this one. Now, I want to see you'll have a little juice there that will begin to absorb back into the pie while it's cooling. Now, I hear that I have a lot of viewers that are from the state of Missouri. You know, Missouri is the show me state. Yeah, I got to show them. I know the rest of you trust me so, and you know if I cook it, it's going to be good. If I say it's good, it really is good. I'm always trying to show you the simplest, the best, and all this stuff. But you know what? I got to show these people from Missouri. Y'all just bear with me. Look at that. Look at that. You think they're convinced yet? Man. Whew. I'm just going to get right to it. I got to prove it to you. Look at this. Oh, Lord, I'm trembling. I'm shaking. Oh, Lord. Look at this. What do you think? Good enough to eat, huh? Let's try. It's too hot. Too hot to eat. I'm trying. Now, I've got this here because I want to tantalize you. I want to inspire you. I want to get you desiring, wanting this dish. Look at that. As good as it looks, baby. You better get you some. Look, run to the store, get you some peaches, get you some flour, some sugar. You probably already got that in your house. Put this pie together. You won't be sorry. Guys, I thank you for coming by to see me today. I know you were wondering what I was doing, and you found out that I was throwing down as usual. I'm so glad that I didn't disappoint, or I hope I didn't disappoint you. I want you to come back, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'm trying to get to 200,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I put up a new video. I want you to give me a thumbs up. Give me a big old thumbs up. If you would leave me comments, I would really appreciate it. I love hearing how it went when you made my recipes and what kind of feedback that you got. I'm popping my collar right with you when you let me know. It makes me so happy, guys. You know what? We are embarking upon a new year, 2021. I am expecting greatness and wholeness and peace and tranquility and health and all kinds of prosperity for all of us. Keep the love, keep the faith, baby. 2020 is gone. All things are new again. So keep the faith and share that love. I try to share it with you. I want y'all to share it with everybody else. Love you so much. Thank you for coming by. Bye-bye.